So here I'm going to show you how to check an answer that you got when you're solving for, let's say, x. If you want to check your answer, you can do this really easily on your calculator. So I'm going to use just an example problem here. So if you have 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x plus 2. I'm just going to quickly solve for x here. So I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. And I get 5 is equal to 2x plus 2. I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. And I end up getting 3 is equal to 2x. I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. And I end up getting x is equal to 3/2. Now, let's say you get something like that, and you're kind of wondering, is x actually equal to 3/2? Well, the way that we check this is by plugging our answer back into both of these expressions. Now, that can be kind of a pain when you're dealing with a fraction and you're dealing with two expressions that contain the variable. So there's a really easy way you can check this on your calculator. So what I'm going to do is pull up the calculator. And the button we're going to use is the store button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in 3/2, because that's our answer, and I'm going to store that as x. So now 3 divided by 2 is 1/2. So now if you put x in, it'll say x is equal to 1/2. What I can do is type in each expression and see what ends up coming out. They should equal each other. So if I go back, 3x plus 5, I can just type that 3x plus 5 and evaluate it. I get 9.5. If I go back and look at the other expression, 5x plus 2, I can type that in, 5x plus 2, hit enter, and I get 9.5. So when x is equal to 1.5, what this is saying is that these two expressions are equal to each other. So that's how we can use the store button, STO, right over here, in order to evaluate an algebraic expression and check our value of x.